Hey guys, Peter Slots here. Check it out. We're playing Dragon Train, the new one at Saboba. I got the train symbol, 50 cents, but hey, I'm low rolling. We got a $10 nugget right there. Hit that like button, guys, and let's see if we get some good fortune here. Let's go. If you do not know, the train is a separate bonus on its own. Oh, I got the miner, $50. Let's go. Haha. Hey, these are pretty big numbers for 50 cents bet on pennies. Let's fill her up. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Last spin, guys. Can we get it? Come on. Save it. Oh, okay. So now we do another bonus. It's 8 circles, 8 like a revolver, right? So if we fill it up, we win that 1,269. Not the actual grand. So, but big orbs are meant to drop in here, I believe. You know, based on your bet, of course. This is 50 cents, so $5 orbs are pretty big. I think the biggest would be like $50, $25. Come on. It's a cool feature though. Look, ooh, 10 bucks. Oh baby, let's fill it up for that 12 hundo. Do it. Excitement. Get it. I mean, I don't see it. Get it. It's nice to see though, huh guys? Check it out. Nice bonus on 50 cents. And we got that miner for 50. Dragon Train. Choo choo. 28. That's like a $100 bonus. Maybe. Bring it up. Booyah. I mean, if you're betting more, that would have been like an amazing bonus. This is 50 cents. So imagine if that was like a bigger denom on a bigger bet. Let's do a backup spin. Check it out, guys. Dragon Train free spin bonus on Hanker. Hank's brother. Let's go. We can get 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 orbs within rows 1 or 5 in the bonus. Sounds interesting, but can we get it though? That's the question. And Nudging Wilds, which I like, rows 2 to 5. Fill her up. Oh, one more orb. We got 2 minis. Orbit. Hell yeah. 10 orbs to start. Imagine we would have just got 15 already. That would be crazy. Well, you can only get 12 total. That's awesome, babe. 10 orbs to start. Look at that. Minis are 10, so whatever. We got $20 on that. Yo, have you ever seen that? That's cool, huh? Let's fill up that upside down T right there. Do it. Alright. Oh, I saw the train. Oh, look at that. Fill up that line. Right now. Train. Oh, I'll take it one at a time. Bing. Alright, last one. Get it. Hey, that was spin number what? 2? Or no, 3. We still got 3 more spins, guys. Dragon Train here at Saboba. They just got these. Hey, 30 bucks, 50 cents bet, not bad. Smallest bet you can do in this game on pennies. Let's see what else we can get in this bonus. Alright, speed it up, guys. Oh, another sword, retrigger. Oh, I think you need 3 to retrigger. Oh, retrigger. Is that the bonus? We got the bonus, guys. 2, 4, 7. Yeah, you only need 6. Okay. I love that feature on rows 1 or 5. I like this bonus. The other machines, the bonus the free spin bonus, it's like weird. I don't like it. Sticky wilds. I like the nudging wilds, and I like this whole multiple orbs in one box type of thing it has. I don't know what it's called, but it's cool. I like what they did with that. Okay, hey, that's 2 bonuses in the bonus. Yeah. Yo, I'm on free play, guys. I only put $5 free play in there. And I'm just betting 50 cents. I got a bonus earlier for like $100. We're at one. Oh, do it again. Triple bonus in the bonus? Ah, that would have been sweet. That was the last spin too. Low rolling. Let's get it. It's doing good on 50 cents, so I'm gonna leave it. Hey man, you can hit the grand on 50 cents bet. Believe that. Let's try it. We could try it. We'll stay on the pennies, but we'll try $1 bet. And you get 100 lines instead of 50 lines. See what that does. Ooh. Three swords is the free spin bonus. 3 to activate it. Scatter. Oh my gosh, I saw the $50 nugget. Ooh, 2 more. And blocker. And as you know, Hank's brother is the wild. Oh. I like the 100 lines. Let's get a free spin bonus with 100 lines. Full screen of Hankers. I'm not gonna lie, the orbs are actually really hard to obtain. Oh, I thought I freaking called it, guys. Speaking of you. Ooh, nice. Do it. Free spin. One more. Let's try something. Let's go to 2 pennies. Actually, no. Let's go to nickels. Okay, hold on. This game is called Forever Emperor. Okay. I just call it Mr. Hank. It looks like him. Oh, 2. Oh my gosh. 5 with the train. How dirty, bro. I just switched my denom to nickels. Guys. We got teased. I thought we were going to get that one. First spin too, man. Yowzers. That would have been nice. Alright, nickels. Let's see what you got. Don't tease me now. Oh. Do it. Do it. Ah. We'll stay on nickels till like 100 and then we'll switch it. Oh, one more. Ah, first 2. It makes like a different sound. The swords. Dang it. Oh, $6. Come on. I love that sound, that train sound. Beep. Do it. Oh my gosh, do it. 3. Oh, the miner, $250. That would have been sweet. We would have landed another 3 balls. Oh yeah, yeah. The nickel denom is giving me a run for my money here, guys. First spin, 5 orbs with the train, and then you throw out 3 balls with the miner, and you didn't give me the other 3. How mean. Should I leave this denom? Let me see. Oh wait, I was supposed to leave it at 100. No, I'm not. I'm here, guys. Let's get it. We're gonna get that miner, run it back. Let's get that major instead, actually. Alright guys, check it out. If you're not already subscribed, please do me a favor, subscribe. It's totally free to subscribe to my channel, Peter Slots. And don't forget to hit that like button if you like Dragon Train. Let's go. Let's get that orb. Or a full screen of you, Mr. Hank's uncle or brother. Orbs. Retrigger. Retrigger. Oh, I hate it when it... So you need 3 of them, huh? Dang, that's like not easy to do. Uh-oh. Oh, Hanker! Oh, man, almost got full screen of Hankers. One more, row 5 would have been sweet, y'all. I would have got a bunch of symbols. It's only 25 lines, so... Uh-oh, we need orbs. Okay, 4. Do it! What the hell? They didn't give me a wind-up. They didn't give me that teaser. Alright, hey, you know what? It was a bonus. We're back at 120. 3! This game's pretty active, guys. 2! Oh, 5, really? I'm not Vegas Matt, bro. I don't want 5. I want 6. Oh. I want a hold and spin on nickels, please. Oh, simply with the train. Damn it. Thought I called it. 3. Hanker. Why you get in my way, bro? You're only allowed to show up in the bonus, dude. Right now, I want the orbs. The golden nuggets. Or that. 2. I've never gotten 4 swords. I wonder if you get more spins or... Oh yeah, we did it the hard way. Hard way meaning when you get the first like row full of orbs, supposedly it's hard to even get the bonus after that. But I just proved it wrong. Let's go, we got it. These are small orbs though, man. Let's get a train or a word that starts with the M in the color blue. Oh, I saw the chain. Chain me. No, I'm kidding. Oh my goodness, guys. Bunch of baby orbs here. We need that train. Alright, last one. Choo-choo. Get it. Well, at least we got it. It's not bad. Probably like $20, no? I love the graphics though in this game. It's sick. Moving parts, moving train. $5 free play, guys. We're at 127. Let's keep it rolling. I feel like I'm gonna get the train bonus. Like the hold and spin, but with the train. I like the line pays, the line hits, they're pretty good. On $1.25 bet. It's paying out pretty well. I mean, 25 lines, I could do 50 lines to $2.50. I'm low rolling it, so you know. Oh, one more, you freaking A, dude. Ouch. It's a a full-on session, guys. Come on, let's go. My friends wants to see one of those big progressives drop in that train. Come on. Hey, I kind of want to try. Let me do something here. All right, let's do the 10 cents, 250 bet. All right, let's try a few of those. Now the miner's 500, so can we get one of those? That's the question. I want it now. Oh, I thought I had the bonus. It flinched. Mean, bro. It was literally there, and it just somehow went down. Trickery. Oh, my profits are dwelling. Oh, no, that's not it. All right, let's go back to. We haven't tried 2 pennies. Let's try 2 pennies. We tried pennies, 2 pennies, $2 bet, 100 lines. Let's try that. Maybe this is the one. 100 lines, 100 credit bet, $2. Do it! Alright. 3! Damn you. It was more active on the 50 cents bet. I swear it was. Oh, that would have been nice. Oh, yeah. I need more than that. Oh my gosh, 1 orb, you freaking bastard. That was $30. Oh, what a tease. Oh my gosh, really? Guys, really? 1 spin too late, dude. Oh, damn, this 2 penny one is teasing me here. Oh, really? Dude, guys, this is sweating right now. It's making me sweat. Not really, but dang. Now it's like I'm committed. See what you did, Hank? Look at that, 5 again. I don't know, you guys are probably saying, damn, Peter, don't play it, just run, but yeesh. 1. It's like straight messing with me right now. I'm going for it, guys. I don't care. Whatever. This 2 penny denom is really, whoa. It's like driving me nuts right now. Oh, look at that. It's like telling me, don't leave, Peter. Keep pushing the button. I'm gonna hook you up right now. Right now. With that sword. 3 swords. Do it. Oh, do it. Come on, let's end it with a bang here. Big bonus. Oh, damn it. Oh, we had it, guys. Oh, 3. Yup. Guys, that's me. So if I got 3 more nuggets, I think I would have triggered the actual bonus. Because the train doesn't look like it has a nugget. It's just a train. I don't know. I didn't get it, so I wouldn't know. Oh, man, bro. This game. This train ride is reckless. Adrenaline. Wow, $100 orb. Come back with your friends. Big orbs attract big orbs, right? Where you at? Big orbs? Ooh, that's a decent line hit. $13. See, I like the more lines, the 100 lines. It helps. Come on. need a bonus. Right here. Sort it up. Come on, one last bonus before I hit the road. Right here. Dang it. Doesn't want to do it, guys. Where's it at? Where's it at? We gotta find it. Is it on dollars? 5 lines? What do you think? Finish it out 5 lines on dollars? Let's go. $5 spins. Hey, we just need any bonus. Doesn't matter. Free spin or hold and spin. Oh my gosh, preferable 3, 6 of those. 1! Damn it, I thought. Look at that. Oh, that was close. Sword! Sword, you sorter! Man, I wanted to curse. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm done. I'm leaving this train. This train is stressful. We gave it a shot. It's all good. It was fun. That was Dragon Train. I got it to $100, 120. Tried some bigger bets. Worth it though, man. That was fun. If you guys like that, even though it was a losing session, appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button as well before you go, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It's totally free. I'll see you guys in the next one. Choo choo. Bye.